Today we will be covering how to record a lecture on Teams, access the video on Microsoft Stream, trim the video, add and edit captions, and upload the video to OnCue. First, start a meeting, either by yourself or with others. Title your meeting, and click Join Now. When you're ready, click on the More Actions icon and select Start Recording. Then, click on the Share Screen icon and select your desired desktop or window. You can now pull up your lecture slides and begin presenting. If you want your face to show up in your lecture video, you can turn on your camera. When you're done your lecture, double-click on Teams, and then you can click on the More Actions icon and select Stop Recording. Now you can end your meeting. It will take a while for your video to process in order to access it on Microsoft Stream. When it is ready, you will receive an email. Open the email and click on Go to your video now. This will take you to web.microsoftstream.com. Start by clicking on the More Actions icon and select Trim Video. You can trim off the beginning and end of your clip for the parts you don't need. You can also zoom in with a magnifying glass if you want more accuracy when you're trimming. Another way to trim your video is to simply press play and pause at the part where you want to trim off, and then click the left open bracket to trim. You can press play again and pause where you want the video to end, and then click the close bracket to trim. If you turned on your camera during your recording, your face will appear at the bottom right corner. To save your changes, click Apply and Continue. Once your video is done processing, you can go back to your video in Microsoft Stream. Here you can go to the Transcript section and click on Edit Transcript. Then you can fix any errors in the transcript and click Save. When you're done with all your edits, click on the check mark. Now we can upload our finished video to OnCue. We can go back to our Microsoft Stream page and go to our videos. Then we can click on the Update Video Details icon. Now we can see our permission settings. We can either allow everyone at Queen's to view our video or just the people in our course. If you have an existing Microsoft Teams, you can search that up here and select that team. If you don't want your students to download or edit your video, only select the Display checkbox. Now you can click Apply to save your changes. Now we can start uploading to OnCue. So here we can click on the Share button, and then we can click Embed. Here we can copy our embed code and go to OnCue to our content page. Now we can click on Upload and Create and click Create a File. First, you can title your file and then click on the Insert Stuff icon. Here you can select Enter Embed Code. Now we can paste the embed code that we had copied earlier and click Next. This shows a preview of what the students will see. Now we can click Insert and Save and Close. From the student's perspective, you'll notice that there is a drop-down menu with the download option. However, students can't actually download the MP4 file because they will only be able to download a zip folder with the HTML file. This HTML file only allows students to see the video on the streaming site, and if they share the HTML file with users who are blocked in the permission settings, those users won't be able to view the content. Thanks for watching. For more support, visit our website or submit a faculty request. Best of luck with your courses.